this question of National Green Tribunal asking for data on pollution in that area to be submitted within 10 days or, yeah, 10 days. Now, this is a big question. Have you ever dwelt into the seriousness of this and the manipulations, or, I mean, why is the situation? Think about it. See, this national ambient air quality is being done on a national basis, under which Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board is having 26 monitoring stations throughout Tamil Nadu, including Thoothukudi. But if you have to do this air quality index, it is a very, it converts all these complex data of pollutants into very simple numbers, 0 to 500. So 0 is the worst, 0 is the best, and 500 is the worst. So you convert it into a very simple index for everyone to understand. Now, this comes under 6 categories overall. So 0 to a certain number is supposed to be very good, and the last one, around 400 or to 500, is the worst. So this information, we have never put it into the public domain. It's available, I suppose, under RTI or something, but why? There is some reason. For example, you look at this 26 stations which we have, none of them are automatic real-time monitors, which is a must actually if you want to have real good quality data for AQI. Most of them are manual. What happens in manual is that it's the frequency of taking the reading is just about once in 3 days or 4 days. So which doesn't give you a good quality of the study at all to start with. And are they being done? This is the question. Is it being done? How is it being done? It's completely manual. And you know the kind of manipulations that can take place. It's anybody's guess. So this is my question today. Why isn't this still yet given out? If this gives space for other narratives to be put into the public space. There are wild claims of groundwater and air pollution and SO2 and NRT. For example, of all the stations, the AQI that is given out by Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board is very good or fair for all the stations, except Trichy, in fact, which has a higher pollutant. There also the main pollutant is PM10, which is small particles lesser than 10 microns. So why is this sort of data? Then suddenly you have an issue where all these things are put into the public domain. So I think the question we should ask is, at least now, why isn't the mandated agency of the government putting this information out into the public domain? One. Second, why didn't they not give it in the first place for the closure of the NGT? If you have to close, you have to close the industry. Let's have the data in first. So this is a question that the public needs to know.